Hello everyone, today we have an iPad Pro 12.9 inches 2018 model that is not turning on. As you can see, this is the A12X Apple CPU inside, so let's see why it's not turning on. First, we are gonna try to turn the iPad on through the power supply and see how much it's drawing power. And as you can see, when I press the power button, it draws almost 1 ampere and then restarts, so there should be a short on the board. To find the short on the board, we need to spray a freezer spray on the board and find where it heats up. As you can see, it is the TRISTAR, or the so-called U2 chip on the older models, that is shorted to ground. Mark the chip orientation and start replacing it. The chip's position is very delicate, and by applying heat from the hot air station, it could resolve to overheat the neighboring chip. So in this case, you need to remove it using the soldering iron. It's a fast and safe and easy, and it works perfectly with small chips. I apologize that I didn't show you that the short is gone, because I forgot to film it. Reball the new chip. The soldering paste that is used to reball needs a lower temperature to melt than the original solder that on the chip. As you can see, the iPad is charging. And now it's charged and turned on and fully working. So that will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more interesting repair videos. And if you have any other questions, just leave them in the comment section down below and I will try to answer them. See you next time.